Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And today I wanted to do a very short, quick video on lipstick. So I know I probably talked about lipstick before in the past, but I wanted to come on today and talk about lipstick and how to make it last longer. Because if you're anything like me, you want your lipstick to stay on as long as you possibly can get it to stay on. So I am going to come in with the Mary Kay Age Fighting Lip Primer. It just is white. It goes on clear. See, why I'm almost out of it. I need to get a new one. Okay, and then just put that on. And you can also put that on before bedtime to help with wrinkles. Now I take my lip liner. Now this is my secret. I take my lip liner. And then I fill it in just a little bit. I just do like one line. And even if you don't have a lip liner that matches your lipstick, just get like a light nude color. But this lipstick that I'm using actually matches this lip liner perfectly. So this is Trademark Pink that I'm using. It matches this lipstick perfectly. Lip liner perfectly. See? Doesn't that look amazing? And this stays on forever. So I had my plum lipstick on for like 12 hours the other day. I think it was last Sunday. And it literally stayed on all day. It was awesome. It did not smudge, didn't go anywhere. It just was great and I loved it. So I was super excited to have that awesome plum lipstick on. So yeah. So if anybody has any questions, feel free to comment below. I would love to know what you would like to see the next video on. And yeah, I've still got a couple of things I want to show y'all for the next video. And yeah, so okay. Well, I hope everyone is having a fabulous day. And I'm so in my element right now. I've got my bling and my pink on. I'm so happy. So yeah, so go follow me, like I always say, to go follow me on TikTok at Victoria Miss Fabulous. I have been making some more videos on there. Let's see, follow me on Instagram at Victoria Miss Fabulous and Hair and Makeup by Victoria. On Facebook, I have Hair and Makeup by Victoria, Living Victoriously pages, and I have Victoria Talbert, just a regular Facebook page. So feel free to send me a friend request. And then also on Snapchat, Tori.Fab18. So, and then feel free to request me there. So I hope that you loved this. I hope this is a quick, nice look that you can do. You can do the pink, you can do plum, you can do pretty much any color. Just fill your lips in with some lip liner, and this helps it with the lip primer, the lip liner, and the lipstick. Helps it stay on for a really long time, and it makes it look pretty fabulous. So, all right. Well, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will see y'all next time.